I am on Istiklal. It's one of the main streets at Shoshone Metro, and the explosion happened about a 10-minute walk that way towards Taksim. A lot of commotion. I could hear the explosion in Karakoy, which is downhill from Shoshone, and coming up is a bit of a stretch, but we are being told by the police that they feel that this explosion was a targeted explosion, but no official confirmation on what the nature of this explosion was. But that particular area is now being cordoned off. Yeah, the police have brought out the barricades. This is where a lot of the embassies and consulates are as well. And the explosion happened in that direction. It's a tense situation here. These sort of attacks had kind of stopped on Istiklal in Turkey for some time, many years now. But it seems that there's a return to some violence now back in this country.